back with another video. Investment forward. So account is sitting up over $3,060.64. Actually holding pretty steady. Been up 0.09% for the past week. Been up over 1.20%. The past month been down 1.70%. The past 3 months down 4.92%. Year to date up over 5.28%. The past year up over 5.27%. So we'll just go over what I'm averaging now on dividend payments. I actually did my calculation. So I'm averaging between $35 and $40 weekly. So that's really not that bad. So I'm averaging between $100 and $140 monthly in dividends, through everything that's paying me out through the week and including monthly. So just want to go over a few plays and take a look at some of my dividend payments here. So we're going to start with YAC, and they trade around $15.23. And I had got a recent dividend payment. Let's take a look here. 27 cents. And this one's holding pretty steady throughout the dividend payments each week. And it's actually increasing a little bit. So about 25, now it's up to 27 cents. So it's actually, paying pretty decent weekly. I only have 1.25, like a share in a quarter. I am planning on to buy more. I would like to add more to this position because of the consistency and the steady dividend payouts, and it's really not trading at a bad price, and I'm still holding pretty much at my cost basis. So I would like to add more eventually here. Let's move over to take a look at the YAC. Trading down $12.43, and you can see that I'm down 7%, but the dividends are consistent. They kind of fluctuate more than YAC, and I believe it's a little bit over $1 now, between $1.89 and $2. So it's kind of fluctuating between that range. So because last week I got $2.06, and then this week I got $1.89. So it dropped down a bit, but I'm hoping this one for the long term. I'm not planning on to sell these ones. No matter what happens in the market, I'm just gonna keep buying these for a long term and to see how they perform as we go. A recent addition, I know this one. I just wanted to get this one back in because they switched to weekly, and that's the CONY, CONY, and that's trading around $6.54. What kind of disappoint me is they paying almost the same as ULTY, so they're trading around the same. And I'm up a little bit, 1.5%, and I have close to 2 shares. And this one pays out on Friday, which ULTY pays out now on Thursday. So this one will be good to get alongside to have, good mixture of Thursdays and Fridays if I could get this one built out here pretty soon. So, and you see I don't got much, but I did get a little bit of 18 cents there. So, and we could click here and see what they paid out per dividend. It's the same as around ULTY. That was 9 cents. So I got a long way to go to get this one built out here for the long term. All right, let's move on. So we're looking at MSTY. That's been very disappointing, but I'm still holding. I don't plan on selling. Around $11.75, and disappointing on the dividend payout. It was outrageous price the week before, but this week is $5.28 that I'm getting, and paying 21 cents per share, which is not too bad. But I was hoping it would be more, because I think they were just trying to figure out what they was going to pay since they all switched over to weekly, and I kind of was expecting it to be around between 20 and 30 cents. But after that, larger dividend payment, the week before was $14.41. but now it's stabilizing, so I kind of know what to look for in this play here. So I'm gonna keep holding and I'm gonna keep buying. Like I said, this one's I don't want to take a huge loss. You see, I'm down almost 40%. So I just want to keep adding or to see what this one does. I don't plan on selling this one at all. So ticker symbol YBTC. This is also a weekly pair too as well. You actually see I was up in this player for a while, but now I'm down 7.21%. And I just got a weekly payment out on Thursday was $2.90, and it's pretty steady between the $3 range. So it's really not that bad. And it's the Round Hill Bitcoin Cover Call Strategy ETF. So take a look at tickers for ULTY. I have 227 shares now. I'm down 14%, as you can see, and just got paid a dividend payment of $20.55, and I believe they still paying around the 9 cents range there. You can see it's 9 cents. So, I don't plan on selling this one. It is actually paying me consistent dividends. So, it's been taking a beating, going up and down, but this is the market. We got to, this is the game we play. So I don't plan on selling. I'm just going to keep buying. So let's take a look at BTCI. This is actually a monthly pair. And this one is actually pay me just recently $3.04. And I only have $2.33 shares. And the amount per share is $1.30, which is really not that bad at all. That's why, because this one's a little bit more higher. It's at $56.46. So it's a little bit more expensive so far as price range, but the dividend consistent and they pay out monthly. It's really not too bad. So let's move on and take a look at others. Quantum Computer, they don't pay out any dividends there. So I believe I had a few more on here. YETH. I have close to 2 shares now, and this one is pretty steady, consistent dividends too as well. Now between 60 and 65 cents weekly. Really, it's not too bad. I can't really complain about YETH. And then this is a new additional now. Ticker symbol HOOY, HOOY. And that's trading around $67.34. And I just got a weekly first dividend payment with this play, 79 cents. And let's see what they're paying per share, 73 cents. I thought it was going to be close to $1. Yeah, we would think, but that's not really that bad. So I am continuing to buy more and get my cost basis. Well, I see I bought it around $67.23. So it's holding around $67.34. So I'm up a little bit. So I do plan on buying more as we go. Take us to TSYY. Take a look at this one, down 10%. I have over 25 shares now. I'm trying to build this one out with a weekly paying dividend of $5.30. So really not too bad. I would like to, this was actually getting set up for the week coming up, so I can't include that one this week, but this will be my payment for next week. I do plan on buying more, and the police will pay us around 20 cents per share, so it's really not that bad. So I am going to hold this one for a while and see how this one does. Let's see how this one goes. It's paying consistent dividends, and I really like that one too as well, so we're gonna just hold that one and just keep track of it. And then ticker symbol blocks, BLOX. I really like this one. I got one a little bit over, close to 2 shares down, and I actually got, this is a Monday pair. They actually got a dividend payment coming out of 29 cents. So these plays are actually paying consistent, great dividends too as well. And this is a new recent one I just added. I haven't got a full share, but I was talking about adding this one. And I just went ahead and just did it. So it's a week compared to it. It pays on Wednesdays, I believe. And I have a little bit of probably, I think it was 3 cents. And the amount per share, they paying 73 cents. Closest the same as HOOY. Really not that bad, but I like this one. We'll see how this one goes. And this one ain't really had too much nav either, so it's holding pretty steady at this price point here, between 52 and 53. So we'll see how this goes. And these are some good powerhouse weekly players. I know some of them are quite a bit down, but hey, it's not financial advice. It's just what I'm doing. This portfolio, try to get paid every day in dividends, plus grow this account too as well. And we're just here to have a little fun investing and retire early. So comment down below. Let me know what you think about these plays. What you think about these weekly players. Comment down below. Tell me your thoughts. And make sure you check out some of the links down below. And everybody, thanks again for watching. And have a good one. I'm out. Peace.